Welcome to Kemi's Frank channel. In today's video, I'm about to trade with the king of US30. His name is called Shamz. He's Jeffery Benson's boy, actually. I want to take his signal to see if he's truly a king of US30. Of course, one trade doesn't prove how good somebody is, because a trade I need to take like 5, 6, 7 in a month. You check how profitable someone is. But for content's sake, I just want to take this trade with him. Today is Friday. If he drops signal, I'm going to take. If he doesn't, then that means we are going to wait for him to drop signal next week. So when we come back from the break, we are going to dive into the details of this video. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, guys. Now, I just checked the platform and then I saw a signal. So let's check it out now and then take this trade real quick. Alright, Shamz says buy US30 now. Now let us go in my trading view and just set up the chart the same way he set his own. Alright, so I'm buying US30 according to Shamz. He trades US30 alone, so I'll just do that real quick. So I'm buying from this price 38529. Alright, so I will adjust my stop loss the same way he did his own, right? The same stop loss he used. So I'll go to my MT5, right? Now let me place a trade. We are buying US30. I will not go wide on this because this is somebody's signal. I don't want to kill myself. 0.1 and I'm good. So let's update the stop loss value. The trade is looking good. Let's see. He said we should use stop loss of this. Let's see. Okay, 38465.8. so let's go. I'll just update mine real quick before the trade goes into loss. 384 let's see, 65 point what, 0.3.8, sorry. All right, so I'm fully in this trade. I'm fully in. Let me also adjust my trading view the same way he did his own, updating the stop loss 2 here so that we have accurate setup. All right, so I'll copy this now, then paste it in my trading view stop value. So this is the figure which I'm going to change now. So let me clean this. I'll clean this, then add mine. Let me just paste, then this is it. So let's hope he goes into profit. I just pray Shamz has network when he sends this signal, because Shamz and network is like cat and rat. Even if this trade is already in loss already. We are in loss already. I said it. Are you sure he has network in his phone? Even if you carry him and put in MTN office beside the MTN manager, he won't still have network. Let's see. Although hopefully it can come up in profit. Red. Stop. Setup never drop. Stop loss, don't they? Okay. Let's see, guys. Oh God. Stop loss hit for Jeffery Benson. Okay, that's not our own. Now Shamz, I've sent a new thing, which means he's going in profit. Okay. I didn't take the trade for Jeffery. He says on GPUS the stop has been taken, so that's not for us. Okay. The trade is still heading to stop loss side. I don't know why. Okay. Hopefully, guys, it can also go in profit. Anything can happen. 1.8. Okay, that's hope. Minus 1.9. All right. It's close to our entry position now. Shamz, king of US30. Let's see. The king will show right now. This is 1 hour setup. Okay, minus 0.62. Let's see the chart from our MT5 perspective. H1. Still around my entry position, still around there. So let's see. Wow, it's trying to go up, guys. That's why we're having minus 0.46 commissions and all that. He just dropped something, guys. The profit is not much now. Now this is how forex work. Normally you are supposed to wait for 1:2 before taking your profit, but this setup is only 1:1. The profit is not much. We are seeing a clear sign of retest, and there is a mini supply zone. All this story, I know they like them. So at this point, yeah, you are left with two options. Number one, we allow the market to take our break even, and number two, we exit and reposition. I go with the first one, that is break even. Break even, I didn't even put any break even, you understand what I'm saying? But it's already in negative, so break even is above. I'm in loss. I'm in loss already right now. You see, that's why signal taking signal from people is not funny. I'm not saying he's not a good trader. He's a good trader, you understand? But right now, I'm in mess. This story is a long grammar. I don't understand. Break even. Now this is how forex work normally. Which forex work is forex work? Forex has always been there. As I talk about network can be an issue right here. Let me see. 1 hour. From his own side, he should be in break even now. But from my own side, the market is in loss. And what it implies now is that he's no longer in this trade. He's no longer in this trade. That's what he's trying to say. And then zooming 15, putting 15 minutes time frame to show a kind of move. But the move is not significant. It's not significant to show that there's profit anywhere. I think I have to leave the trade, right? If somebody that dropped the signal is skeptical about it, he's already running away from it, I have to leave, right? I have to take my profit. Sorry, take my loss with good faith. This grammar means he's no longer in this trade. I've been left behind in this, so I have to just leave like this. That's the best thing I have to do to myself now, and I won't regret my Friday, right? All this grammar means leave the trade. So we're going to take our loss, the little loss, before Shege Banza comes up. Let's see. I'm closing, guys. I'm taking this. No need. Alright, we are off this trade. He's now going to the stop loss side with a bold momentum. What? Thank God we left. Yeah? You know, God has a way of protecting those he loves, right? Oh God. Hey, stop loss has been hit. Officially. Stop loss has been hit, guys. The trade didn't work out. He left break even. I didn't live in break even. And some other person probably might not live in break even. That's what signal taking entails. Stop loss has been hit. This is too much. The stop loss is shining. It's shining. The stop loss went beyond stop loss. Had it been my head is below the stop loss, it would have penetrated into my head, then come out from this way. Alright, I'm not trying to say he's a king of US30, but you know, trading signal, you have to be careful with signal taking. Alright, if you cannot take signal, if you don't know how to go about it, do not take it. Because sometimes signal providers blow people's accounts, right? Shamz, I greet you. You are a good trader. You are a nice trader. You're doing well. Even though I took loss this morning, but it's still alright. But what it is that before you take a signal from someone, you have to do proper due diligence. Due diligence about it. Nobody is perfect. And then what you should learn in this video is that everybody takes loss. Even those that call themselves guru. We are all taking loss in the market. What matters is risk to reward, risk management, right? So you can do it. Nobody is above loss. Even myself talking right now, I'm not above loss. So stop loss is standard, it is constant. Everybody takes loss. So you can now see that people take loss in the market. So you can now go and learn how to do it well by yourself. Alright, now I have another advice for you. If you come into a Telegram channel where they provide signals, what to do is study the signal provider. You can even stay without taking the person's signals. Just study him for some time. If he's profitable with what he's doing, then instead of taking his signals, then what if you ask him to teach you? Mentor me. I think that is better. That is only if you have seen that is a good trader. Check the person January, February, March, April, May. If the stop loss hit is killing, if stop loss hit is too much, then abstain. But if reasonably in a month you see him coming out profitable with good trades, you can learn from that person instead of taking signals. Because if you say you want to take signal with the guy, you might be unlucky and then appear on his bad trading days. So those bad trading days doesn't mean he doesn't have a good trading days, you understand? So that's the best advice I can give you in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. Like this video. I didn't do you anything. Please like it, okay? Then share the video to the rest of the audience to watch our content here. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.